What's up guys, it's Hunter. Today we have another very exciting install. We have a 2016 Mercedes C-Class 300. We're going to be putting in a Rockford powered bass subwoofer kit along with our XLCA 2X Pro and our X-Kit 82 wiring kit. On this, you pull this cover up a little bit, batteries under there, air filter here, cabin air filter I should say. We connected it to the positive lug there. We'll put this back on. Cool. And mounted our fuse block here. Ran our power wire underneath the windshield wiper transmission assembly. And we went ahead and ran it to the clutch pedal hole down there, through the grommet. See if our cameraman can kind of circle it for you guys to see where it's at. Hit it real nice. It's all mounted and secured. And our power wire is now inside the vehicle. So our next step here is to go ahead, tear apart our running boards and our B-pillar here and just run it down, as well as our bass knob wire. All right, that wraps up this 2016 Mercedes C-Class. As you can see, we wired it up real nice, braided the line, and we made it super removable for the customer in case he ever has to go on road trips or anything like that. If you guys like this video, want to see more like it, please like and subscribe.